One of the things that drives me nuts as an outdoorsman is when I go to cut wood and the damn chain is dull. On this video, what we're going to do is we're going to show you one of the best chainsaw sharpeners on the market today. Go from a dull chain to a sharp chain in a matter of minutes. Do you like goofy dad videos in the outdoors and tech reviews and some reactions? Make sure you smash that subscribe button, folks. All right, so here we got the Stihl M5 211C, and we also got the Stihl 2-in-1 sharpener, and we're gonna show you how good this baby works. So the Stihl sharpener itself has, two little compartment areas back here where you can change the files and the gauges, and very sharp, has 2 ends. Also, you'll notice it has arrows, so it tells you what way to sharpen the chain or to slide it. Another arrow here. You flip it over, side's a little rusty just because we've used this thing for so long. I got some new bars I got to install. We have the Stihl M5 211C, and my chain is becoming dull. It's a little loose, so I know I need to tighten it. But what we're gonna do is sharpen each one of these points with either 60 or 61, and you do one side at a time. So as you can see there, we're gonna sharpen right against that ridge and make a movement, the movement of the motion, just like the motion in the ocean, baby. Just over and back, over and back. The other thing I recommend before you start this process is to grab some whiteout. So I'm gonna grab some whiteout real quick and mark kind of on the chain where I start. That way as I go through it, I keep track of my spot. Then I know when to switch. You wanna make sure that you sharpen each area the same amount of times, otherwise your saw will not be consistent. All right, so we got the whiteout here, so we're gonna mark this spot right here, and that's where we're going to start, and then we'll flip it around on the other side when we're done, and we'll mark that side too. Special shout out to Outdoor with the Morgans. If you have not checked their channel out, be sure to click the link in the description. He's the one that actually got me to buy this device many moons ago, and he has a great channel. Again, Outdoor with the Morgans. All right, as I mentioned before, you got to go one direction like this. The arrow's pointed to that direction, so you put it right along the edge and you go just like that. You don't want to do it down, you don't want to do it up, you want to do it level as you can. So what we'll do is we're going to do 5 of these on each one. I'll do 5 real quick so you can see them, then we'll speed this baby up. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have the 2-in-1 sharpener on the Stihl chainsaw, and we've got this finished up. We did 5 passes on each chain link, and so now we're gonna go out and we're gonna test this saw, and I hope to hell this thing cuts better than it did when we started. So come along with us. Breeza fell down on the kids' dirt bike track. that saw was a lot sharper. I did 5 passes. If I would have done 7 to 10, it would have been even sharper. But that thing went through this log like it was butter compared to over there. So I'll leave a link down in the description below. Be sure to check these out. They're right around 40 bucks on Amazon. You can't freaking beat it. So if you like this video, please sure to share it and click subscribe on the Mitten Dad. And much love to everyone. We'll talk to you soon.